I GCDs, Eva Obia Aquaba, Hadia latest and hot news in Kwana, and I'm a Bremo Annuity. So when you subscribe, we are Bomodian say over subscribe to their channel. We are beyond say over click the subscribe button. Now our barely notification. We are new video be uploaded. When the first person I was Beka ASR video, I feel we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up. Nafi. Share my offer for us now. When you be here now, and some of us will ever done a memo. Afi you bury summer abeto your proso. A year Omanhene Kwabena Ashanti as a 5 body and Sammy Atuya. Afriyie parties NPP NDC or just everything surprises people. Now when people lose see bebre on a grounds at the research near one who form on the ground your cost constituencies in one thing Atuya or just before no one in yes, when people lose see bebre now what is some to go now and Atuya. And Tentemara, you move in a catchy and similar year or Omanhene Kwabena Ashanti what it to the Afriyie research that one year one day Abetuga.
There will be serious surprises in the Volta and in the Ashanti region.
Really?
Yes. Don't underrate it. In the Ashanti region, we don't probably say NPP for now and Kazabuzomo. Sure. And almost we have to say NPP for no as I say. Their strategy normally campaign. There will be a big surprise. A+ constituency.
That should be. Is it Agona East? Gomwa Central. Okay. Gomwa Central.
Tobago bit Messi.
Gomwa Central.
Oh, of course. They should
watch A+ the independent candidate.
But they should watch him. Both parties, you know, they should watch him. And I say. I do with the BPA with the don't catch away there. Oh, Zanakwe. I found a rapture. Oh, with the but watch the guy. With the Feribia to Jabba, watch his progress and monitor the constituency. With the monitor. That's why I'm calling for no and the promoter constituency because of the report by the question mark at the likelihood of an upset to only high. I really don't think that the can are wrong.
Yeah.
With the monitor guy, no, he's building capacity and then check the home grounds also. If you don't declare any papa, you check it.
Asempa FM.
Check it. Me make us I can't say Nikusi. But Oyenya Edge.
Gomwa Central.
Yes.
When the MP say MPP for seat, right?
MPP.
Yeah. MPP. Yeah.
Only deputy minister.
Interior.
Yeah. I know Afriyie. Nane year.
He's still there.
Oh,
Oba na bema.
Oba. Hey, he's on the quiet too.
Oh, okay. And you're not. Oh, that's why Interior Deputy Interior Minister. I'm not too sure. MP for the Gomwa Central.
So it's going to be an interesting place.
Yeah.
Very interesting place.
I think A+ presence changes the dynamics.
It changes a lot of dynamics. Yeah. Anna, back to Deputy Agric Minister former.
That's your friend is saying. Say
George Odru.
You call last 4 years.
George Odru.
New Dubiase.
Yes.
New Dubiase.
Yeah. George Odru.
Yeah.
And a footballer manager.
Sure.
Salam. Another interesting area.
That constituency is very interesting.
Yeah. What I say? Interesting area. And then Sunyani East, and Sunyani West. There could be a shock.
Sunyani East and West.
Yeah, there could be a shock.
And he's an independent candidate.
Yeah.
But my guy knows what he did in Sunyani.
Oh, yeah, he's a popular guy. Your popularity, reflection in votes, they're different. I meant me my your popularity fine. That young man has been with them for ages.
No MPP
no a known MPP person. Okay. So I tell you, I'm not feeling the crap. Why ye Juma so potem honum? Ransford. Yeah, Ransford. Why ye Juma potem honum? And clearly, so jeja obi simple. Because the question is at this year MPP mo a yes am me American was Omakoma so nyo. Omano I say po.
Sa.
Omo muna say kusu.
Sunyani West MPP for.
Tunina. Omo muna say kusu.
Eastern so.
Yes. It maybe the end say yeah, we are observing the space and telling probably say we bet my say. And another area is Owusu and the doctor.
Yeah, that's Cape Coast North.
Owusu and the doctor.
Lecture
another fantastic results. It is both parties should work hard. All this I'm saying is because you and your team have assigned people already.
Yeah.
And then my tips of it. But I'm happy with the job they have done so far because most of the arguments are more advanced for shocks and surprises. It's real. So as I say, baby, I better not can be the catcher and say on penny pa. I'm out for born them. I don't mean unfortunately, that is how we have to let you know that. Yeah, look at Google. Yes, so that's what me free on camera. Nebufu breso. It mean possible didn't come across my canal from. One more phone by all the catches. Your bar now pam. Yeah, Kasa was you to the oh. But a public office person. Some of these things a big heart to be accommodated.
Yeah.
Very important. Very, very important. So as I say, enter the voter region. The probability to say sit Baku MPP woho is like crisscrossing also to Ashanti region. There will be serious surprises in the voter and in Ashanti region.
Really?
Yes. Don't underrate it. In Ashanti region, we don't probably say MPP for now Kasabusomo. Ye ko busa juma and almost we have to so busa MPP for was as I say their strategy no more campaign. Now busa say NDC for their strategy no more campaign Ashanti region. The NDC on daily basis is becoming visible. It's penetrating. I say nana only among yourself for dim koma. So we could 3,000 votes. No, be no nya ebia 50 votes, or even 80 votes and 100 votes. Obi, Odipano, we peja no na ebia Oman eba form. No crane say in Ashanti region there is no plan. But wherever we passed, and even the wonder is that people are now emboldened. Obi me manufacture unicorn house where no question. NDC at the Unicorn House. Unicorn House. Unicorn House. All I'm sure is O level. Unicorn House. How can you wear an NDC at idea? Whoa. Also, you can. Otherwise, feel crown. Who a bear hole and a bantam. NDC.
Flag at
neighborhood. If you don't, this is to gain. There's nothing like. And no crowd as a man who say, your democracy, no. So what I say, which is
good for us.
Very good. I am who can say, oh, so be crying and yagina, you need to atena abum semi. You Ghana a conkain. That is why I also urge NDC, if they are able to come to power, I won't consider those people who have taken too much risk. Are known hard areas for the MPP. Likewise, the MPP because that's a tough area. To break your my bad for Amau, I'm going to be deficient in parliament.
Sure. And comment to me and
so the Amau and some
Sure, it's true.
So it's
but the truth of the matter is 2024 there would be very interesting surprise. I mean, few of those constituencies.
Last surprise of Amakwata constituency.
Yes. Amakwata.
The constituency.
Amakwata constituency. That's Etiwa West. That be East here. Deputy Finance Minister. Etiwa West. No surprise, saying.
Odi Agura for the first time.
NDC meets me
for the first time. You see, the Abu Minister, Nyamene come to say that because MPP, NDC in Penphobia, a screenshot to your mama NPP for. And Nyamina count. The constituency executives now cast on the Kwakwe campaign or Matiada. You know the problem the parties are facing now, especially the MPP.
Yes.
The flow of money for trusted and credible people to go and work effectively and efficiently with that money both parties in are lacking, but especially the NPP. Jisika fa koye Jumama party no.
Obi a this kind of beshen in sem. Say Jane Fako form. Akoya asem.
One never go form.
Na say Muslim de ma DC.
I know we said DC out here. Now I can also tell you that NPP DC for in Mensah crash for. Now why are we even having this conversation? Because we are exposing a certain deficiency. Yeah, I don't think we DC for the much short term. They are peeved. For some DCs want this party our and co-opposition. Now share the political history of this country. 8 years now, and there are a lot of issues nearby.
Yeah, it's true.
8 years, they be my DDR main, a bit to visit a trauma, a bit to visit
yes. Yes.
So what I say, it's
true. It's true.
So
it's true. But one constituency in so I think you call Ashanti. Andy Honekry.
Ashanti
North.
Ashanti. No, Ashanti Emunao. One was a guy, no. There was a dear pigeon in Mukosu, and say, the double feed, you know. So at Salt FM.
Salt FM, sure.
To be by.
Yes. I'm a Kamua, Omoji, license now.
Akofa Krum, or say, a quite bishuna, Subasia, or Bentin, and the Shensa womb. Oh, yeah, the cousin, the BA who you pardon that. Yes, see, Omanhene. Yes, see, Omanhene. Yes, Ube
who real doso
say Obaje the city papa Ajitu says will be a man 1 million every month. Can you imagine? You'll be not when you make Kazakas 1 million now you be any. The
oh, I know. We are not saying everybody may have an oxygen.
Wait, mammy, over you know, we be sure we can go. I don't know because who do you put us on after what I want to
can you imagine, Charlie? I say, Mama is now.
Yes.
Obi, a bit technical, but I bet try say you be muma.
You are watching TV News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Ghana for it here. Nra be friend me na honorable na sise na di na yo mabo agu na chese ene ensem bebre obi a wode oka. Ni nyina so akwaye commentary ekoso wo radio so ne se di obi a eka ne de. Obi me to me bo ase pa se me checha de num kakra ama amanfo ate ase. Nse Kofi Adam running you through the facts. Nti me mpese mesako eye ambulance honsem a eye NDC aban a etwa mu omo yeso mu koto ambulance bi aba ambulance na ba na besi na kwanya adwuma entui ana aban yi ba na aban ne hu se enkratasem ni sika sem no nyema bi anko yie nti wo se ye de omo edi animu eye sa nyoma ekogina emranim ana kokogina emranim no mo de call high court is always can wom na nason tuntumi fan court bia na high court no so edi asem no obi eye criminal matter and ye kan criminal matter de ye oman no ene wo nipa no na enya enti oman no lawyer mpanyimfo na ba bedi animu edi asem no be court akwa se oman ni sika na ayira no yensa beka enti nyese bia aban no na epe obi I am bonnet and now a criminal matter be obi. I am yet to see or to read any criminal matter. Yes, say and yet state prosecutors and so that narration or argument is neither here nor there. It has always been the case and it will remain the case until say be a best science. Every criminal matter be me. As a lawyer from law school, ya kind criminal law, ya can kind in a every criminal matter is against the republic. And in China, republic versus, and I say assume versus the republic. It happens. It may do maybe quite a Republican state, state versus. For no crowd, now who say, you say, Magite, IGP. I mean, you know, because now he was representing the states. And let's set the record straight. So every criminal matter is against the republic.
Sure.
And state prosecutors and a lawyer for and the beba ababedi assembly. This a lawyer for the work and just say a NPP abaya was so and the person will do 2 months per wasem. In any case, a lawyer for a go on. NPP abaya no crab 2 ebi wo home. Who call a Attorney General's department. People have been there for 40 years, 25 years. NPP abaya another abaya by 8 years money away. And sa propaganda no mama yenyai every criminal matter the republic and the prosecute ko ono ana woni na nyasem now nka wo try atwe Kofi Adam's experience ayi bi so because obeka in such a way say obi tinchen obeka say no onye hwe kura na ye pese any bibi in the first place aban lawyer for see what you say. But Amrana Ankasa also Article 19. I catch the one Ankasa born home by say you are innocent until proven guilty. And here Naka Abana say what you say. And non chess why ye. And you do call saying Kabana so why na. And
on mine and ya
sorry on mine yes, me that's the part of the republic, me that's it. Jinka on mine ka say Mr. Asumasi Obefa de wa ha nti wa wi ade na. Na ka o say kedu kotum. So mine person or yours, but o mine mra now ye de chire o mine no mra kunini no e constitution 1992 no article 19 or say you are innocent until proven guilty. Just say I don't account so why you kra onye even at the point one kasa kra wa plead guilty no there are certain offenses
the same murder say
murder even when you plead guilty the judges it's mandated to write not plea of not guilty for you so that the trial will go on.
Yeah.
Because I was a state written proving the case. And in proving criminal matters, and yet preponderance of probability, you need to prove beyond reasonable doubt. Just say, I just say I can't say ni pana ya de na brofo ya kan mi chiem kakra. I just say I can't say ni pana ya de na nti. Wako court, no my lord. Na no, you say you go far away and we say no ye dabi. And you are just veering into the angle of probability. But in criminal matters, also you prove beyond reasonable doubt. Just say what's so many ya fine sir.
Assume it's in the
year. We are obi na ye. Sana mranika. Na say o mine no lawyer for you majuma. Na koba say ye politicians so the ho akojijim
FM.
Obi ne ka na we ye say na party commentators better radio so no mo ka bi de o kan ko bi o kwa onim de o kan no o ka now oba in every criminal trial bia no offense bia de beto so bia no ye wo elements bia also ultimate establishing must elements no na be mo be prove beyond reasonable doubt and na person o che Kofi Adam's agency so no. And if, for instance, say stealing, the prosecution will have to prove to the courts, say, Adiana nipa fire no one, and yana dia, oni musosa yana dia, and our fa you appropriate adia wa onim say enya wodia. This is to me establishing this.
And nipa adiana dia no so ama wo kwan
yes. It's Basa still in charge, you know, elements that me establishing. Now we don't call now. Adia we are, you say, what we are no. Adia no crow, there be Adia man we are, maybe Sarah, Nivra.
And no mamma,
crying some fa. It is a mind their tools what we are there. At this point, what sign, who call Sana criminal, a unity. Now, a same way, ambulance, a same way. Asema na say offense no you can say tabura na de
so boy the ball
yes so boy the ball Dr. Kazel at Forsen and 2 others no and he say I am say 2 counts
yes
count 1 or say willfully causing financial loss to the republic contrary to section 179A 3 of Act 29. Now, lawyer ni inya kan sabako ho. No one can say the end of war. And what is the explanation to willfully causing financial loss? Then you establish the elements there. And now what's the 125 pages
judgment of
the Court of Appeal. Justice Akabuafo, he wrote the lead judgment. I mean the majority, and in his in his judgment, he mentioned a case and made reference to Justice Afriyie JSC in Republic versus Ibrahim Adam. Justice Afriyie establishes willful causing financial loss. No, the new laws now.
Sure.
I'm President Akufo time.
Yes.
So in the early stages, Justice Afriyie, and so he becomes an authority when it comes to such matters.
Yes.
And to quote Justice Afriyie's opinion on what willfully causing financial losses, and ultimately or establishing sa elements now was say ultimately establishing na who say say we see na we see I just say abo mine ka na say we see na we ntimi ansi a me nyini so abo mine ka. Just Afriyie said it. It was listed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 yeah. 6 elements
no.
So what to me emitia just say or cause a financial loss to the Republic. And Justice Akabuafo made reference to that in his majority decision. And yes, sir, Obi, young kama yen nuanum amanyofo titiri pa ne yen nuanum NDC fo ne say obi anya na adwene say asa obi sabi obi hu ya ne tan ana obi hu ya obi ahi ana ni hu dia men kampo bi o say ntina e pese ye de no sabi a o sabi obi de ne kotum say sa na te a say sa pa na nkete dia say nka wo de to no so na kom de ne betum e yo man no na wo ne na hede enya enti obi ani wa o tan o say o hu ya ne fa do ana o hu ne nya ne fe wo ni kura ne tan na o pese o de ko na nya that sensationalism. Yes, once involve a political figure or following, in this case was a leader of the minority group in parliament, and he never be commentaries they are expected. Say they will mount a defense for him, they will speak for him, they will do this, but you don't speak for him and denigrate our justice system. And and I'm particularly happy say AG Honorable Godfred Dame say yes, they are contemplating to appeal. They shall appeal. Now so ma affirm up
so appeal
because the Court of Appeal is not the apex court.
Yes.
Yeah, because court was but yes. And you know, a minor to me say a minor opportunity. Say obey to me say their court bad time woman, which is the Supreme Court. Now I call no so question answer muye.
Yo waiting for winning and some year Omanhene of Ashanti edit to one reset kaka 1 year what it say a year before no year see the honorable soup surprises to bring so every PM a year but when the so a year December because you see so and so when you subscribe for more than say over subscribe to the channel no say had the latest and hot news and I'm the promo I feel like a video no feel share my offer for so now when you be here na won hu ya echo also betimi actually what you fire and some we na home I comment box ni mobeti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.